Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ACH transfer on Coinbase to avoid delays. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure ACH transfer on Coinbase, start by opening the Coinbase app or website. Log into your Coinbase account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. In the Settings, select the Payment Methods tab. Click on Add a Payment Method to start the setup process. Choose Bank Account as your payment option. A prompt will appear to enter your bank account details. Select Continue after entering the required information. Next, choose Plaid as your method for linking your bank account. You will be redirected to a secure screen where you can select your bank. After choosing your bank, log in using your online banking credentials. Follow the instructions provided by Plaid to complete the verification process. Once your bank account is linked, you should see it listed in your payment methods. Now, check for any pending verification emails from Coinbase. Make sure to complete all verification steps to avoid delays. If necessary, complete any identity verification required by Coinbase. Once your account is verified, return to the Payment Methods section. Set your linked bank account as the primary method for ACH transfers. Confirm that your account settings are saved and up to date. You are now ready to make ACH transfers without delays. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.